We know it for a fact that you'll fall in love with one of the most popular student accommodations in Cardiff city centre. Just a few clicks and it's all yours. Close to Blackweir Fields, the Blackweir Lodge offers students a wide range of en-suite rooms. With all fully furnished rooms and fitted kitchens, the property has some of the largest rooms available to rent in the vibrant city of Cardiff. Blackweir captures the essence of a fun student life with its amazing social spaces, including a cinema, games room, private gym, communal study rooms, and a beautiful outdoor social space for you and your friends to enjoy. Cardiff University and the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama are just a mile away from Blackweir Lodge, whereas the Cardiff Metropolitan University campuses can be reached by bus in 20 minutes or less. View Park and Blackweir Fields are beautiful recreational areas near the property where you can relax during summers and enjoy the weather. The city centre is only a mile away, while the Cardiff University Students' Union and the Woodville, a popular pub, are only 15 minutes on foot, helping you appreciate your time in Cardiff to the fullest. This seems to be an ideal student accommodation that you should not miss upon. Visit amberstudent.com to book your room today.